Hello, my name is Victoria Gambler, and this is Design and Analysis of Reconfigurable Systems, and this is the hard processor system with HBS GPIO code. And so first I will show make clean. So I've run make clean, and then I can run make, and this makes the file. And then I'm going to move the executable over to be run on the hard processor system. Overwriting, yes. When I run this, this will be a button input. So first showing it on the terminal. So let me move to the proper directory. Okay. And then running the executable. Alright, so first it flashed 2 times, which I will show, and then to show user input, it lights up when I press the button, and when I release, it turns off. So also showing again, so exiting the program. Okay. Alright. And so running it again, showing it flashing twice. Yep. And then successfully lights up when I press the button. So the code works successfully. Thank you and have a good day.